We are talking about an Indian origin doctor that has created a world record. That's right. At a time when many headlines they focus on immigration controversy. Well, one Indian origin doctor. Well, that person has given the whole community a reason to celebrate. Cardiac surgeon. Dr. Sudhir Srivastava has set a world record by performing the longest distance robotic cardiac telesurgery. Basically, using a made in India robotic surgical system, he successfully operated from Goa on the patient in India. Imagine that, covering thousands of miles through advanced medical technology here. This whole achievement, it highlights how Indian innovation and expertise, it continues to make the whole global impact. According to Dr. Srivastava, robotic telesurgery, it can reduce recovery time and lower cost for the patients while expanding the access to the specialized medical care here. Now, for the Indians in the United States, this whole story, it's just a reminder that Indian origin professionals, they continue to lead the breakthrough in science, maybe medicine, technology, AI. While some people they debate about immigration, others are using their skills to change lives across the continents. Now, unfortunately, not every story involving Indian in America, it is a positive one. Our next story, it involves a major fraud case that has drawn the federal attention. We are talking about a 20-year-old Indian man who's living in the United States without legal status, and now he has been arrested in connection with a very sophisticated fraud scheme involving nearly $500,000 of gold. Now, according to investigators, scammers they kind of convinced an elderly woman that her social security number had been compromised and persuaded her to convert her savings into gold for safekeeping. Authorities said that the victim was manipulated into handing over large amount of just the gold before the federal agents intervened and arrested the suspect. Now, cases like this, it attract the significant attention because they can influence public perception about immigrants, specifically Indians here. Community leaders, they often point out that actions of a few individuals, it should not really define an entire community. Well, millions of Indians in America, they work hard, they follow all the rules and they contribute very positively to the society. However, stories involving fraud and criminal activity, it kind of generates headline and then it becomes part of a larger immigration debate.